Hello everyone. In this video I will explain command line argument concept in Java. So before going for this concept, first we need to understand what is the meaning of command line argument. So when we run our Java program, so Java execution actually a two-step process. So in first process we have to compile our program, and in second one we run our program. So for example, say if this is our program class demo and there is a main method. So for compilation we write javac demo.java. And now what is command line argument? At the time of execution, if we want to give some information here, like say I'm giving name of some person, or say if I'm giving some number. So if I'm feeding some information at the time of execution, and if this information has to be used in program, so how a programmer can access these information in program? So we are specifying argument in this command prompt in command line. That's why this is known as command line argument. So objective of these arguments, at execution time we can give information to our program. Now in main method in Java actually require one argument of string array. So every argument whatever we specify at the time of execution, every array stored in every argument is stored in this array. So when after the name of file like demo Rakesh, so Rakesh will be stored in this array at 0 index. Raj will be stored in this array at first index, and 1 2 1 3 this also stored in second index. So here whatever information we will specify, those will be considered as string. Okay, now so this array will be having all those arguments. Now next thing is that we have to just access these argument in our program. In Java, every array has a property that is known as length. So by using this property we can find out how many elements are there in the array. So here we have taken one loop. This loop is starting from say 0, and this loop will run for number of element in array. So number this is the variable arg, array variable, and when we say dot length, so we are accessing length property of arg array. So it will, if this array is having 3 element, this one return 3. So our loop will run for 0 1 2 3 times, and we are printing argi. So first it will print arg0, then arg1 and arg2. So let's see the execution of this program. So now we will compile it again because we have changed the program now. Demo 1 2. So I have specified 3 arguments. So we have printed 3 arguments. Now so this program can run for any number of argument you will specify, because if we are specifying 20 argument, this loop will run for 20 iterations. Now there is one more thing you have to understand here. In Java there is a concept of variable arguments. Like if I will change it with this one, string triple dot arg. So what is the meaning of these type of declaration? So this is a variable, and this arg can store any number of argument during calling of main method. So whenever we will specify arguments, say 1 2 3 3 arguments, so this variable actually store those 3 argument in a form of array. So this notation also fine for Java. So string triple dot arg, this is actually a variable argument. So if you will see the execution of this program, now we compiled our program and then we are running. So now it also running fine. So this is the command line argument concept. Thank you very much.